Good morning, Central Pennsylvania. This is Robert Prestley with your Campus Weather Service forecast for this Thursday, November 20th, 2014. Let's take a look out your door this morning. It's a beautiful start to your day. We're just beginning to see the sunrise over Happy Valley, looking out over the University Park campus today. But it's another chilly start. Your temperature currently at 28 degrees. It's a bit warmer than we've been the past few days, but throw in that wind out of the west-southwest at 9 miles per hour, and it only feels like 20 degrees if you're stepping outside this morning. So certainly another chilly start. And we've seen some wind gusts across the past hour being reported up to 20 or maybe even 30 miles per hour. So it'll feel even colder if you're caught out in one of those strong wind gusts. Let's look across the rest of the Commonwealth, and you can see across northwestern Pennsylvania, this is where the coldest feels-like temperatures are concentrated. Feels like 9 in Bradford, 9 in Franklin, and 11 in Erie. Across southeastern Pennsylvania, they're mostly in the mid to upper 20s for their feels-like temperatures. And that's because we're dealing with some more gusty winds. Here in Center County, some more gusty winds up to 12 in Jersey Shore, 20 in Williamsport. And across much of northwestern Pennsylvania, wind gusts are on the order of 20 to 30 miles per hour, whereas we're seeing calm conditions here in southeastern Pennsylvania. With those heavier wind gusts, expect those feels-like temperatures to plummet, and that's why we're dealing with the colder feels-like temperatures up in northwestern Pennsylvania this morning. Let's also take a look at your radar and satellite. We're watching a few light snow bands work their way through portions of the Commonwealth. One band stretching from just north of State College up towards Scranton, another one down from Allentown to near Harrisburg. Those are not expecting much accumulation, but up here along this lake effect snow band just south of Buffalo, they are expecting more accumulation. These are some of the same areas that have picked up in excess of 5 feet of snow across the past few days. And with this band persisting today and tonight, they could pick up an additional 3 feet. So if you're going to complain about our weather, just be aware that others may have it much worse than you. Let's take a look at your eye on the future forecast, and you can see that lake effect snowband will persist as we head into the day and tonight, but it will begin to die down as we head into the day tomorrow as those winds shift out of the southwest. Another storm system will begin to work its way in for early next week. It'll bring some warmer temperatures with it, but could also bring a chance of rain, maybe some scattered light rain showers across portions of the Commonwealth into Saturday night. But the bigger story will be the warmer temperatures working their way in. This is another computer model that shows below freezing temperatures. That's what that blue shading meant. And some rain chances as well. So as we head into early next week, this would be at Monday or Sunday night, you can see maybe some chances of rain working their way across portions of Pennsylvania. But that colder air, that below freezing air, has worked its way well out of Pennsylvania, well to our north. As we head into the day on Monday, we could be getting into the mid-50s. So the warm air will certainly be a nice change of pace after the much colder air we've been dealing with. Behind this storm system, we will see some colder air begin to work its way back into our area, but it will not be nearly as cold as the air we've been dealing with this week. So here's your forecast for today. Expect partly cloudy skies, your high temperature right around 29, and those gusty winds out of the west at 10 to 20 miles per hour could gust at times up to 35 miles per hour. And for tonight, expect partly cloudy skies, your low temperature around 18. Those winds will remain gusty, so it will be another chilly start if you're headed out tomorrow morning. Let's take a look at your 7-day forecast, and you can see that warming trend as we head into the weekend. 29 for today and tomorrow, but 38 for Saturday, 48 for Sunday, and into the mid-50s as we head into Monday. We'll have to deal with some increased rain chances, but that'll clear out by the middle of next week with some cooler temperatures. Looks like we're not going to be seeing any major travel disruptions for any of your travel plans back to home for Thanksgiving break, so that's your good news. For the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Robert Prestley, hoping you have a great day and a great Thanksgiving break.